I have found a place where I can pour my heart. I have found a place where I can be myself. A place where a place where I can be safe after it all. Baba, with you, Lord, I can be naked and not ashamed. With you, Lord, I can be open and have no fear. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. That is why you remain my great physician. With you, Lord, I can be naked and not ashamed. With you, Lord, I can be open and have no fear. Jesus, 'cause I found in you a friend that I can trust. That is why you remain my grace. In 1 minute, can you be vulnerable in His presence? Cry out and shout to Him. Pray in other tongues if you can. Wherever you are, just open up yourself right now and just begin to speak in other tongues. God is already here. I want your voice like the sound of many waters. God is ready to embrace. Ready to embrace. Ready to embrace. Open up your mouth and give me open up your mouth and shake it out. That is why you remain my great peace when the doctors were sleeping. That is why you remain my great peace when the doctors were not picking their calls. That is why you remain my great peace, full of weakness and everything, but you strengthen me. That is why you remain my great peace. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. You cannot gossip me. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. You hold me and you love me. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. That is why you remain my great peace. 'Cause I have found a place where I can pour my heart. I have found a place where I can be myself, unashamed. A place where a place where I can be. Baba, with you, Lord, I can be naked and not ashamed. My God. With you, Lord, I can be open and have no fear. For I found in you a friend that I can love. That is why I know what this song has still dealt with me. That's why I'm staying on it. Flow. And it's why you remain my great peace. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. That is why you remain my great peace. With you, Lord, I can be naked and not ashamed.
That's right.
My God. With you, Lord, I can be.
Have no fears.
For I found
Time.
a friend that I can. That is why you remain my great peace. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. The elders and the angels bow to redeem, worship you now. Oh, wherever you are, just begin to speak in other tongues. Wherever you are, allow him touch you. 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 There is a place my heart cries out for love. The power of God is here already. There is a place I'm yearning for. It is a place where calls
To the deep.
oh,
I am overwhelmed.
by this deep longing, Lord. Oh, take me, Lord, to your secret place. Take me by the hands, Ade, to your holy place. Ikabeleka, let me see your face in your glory, Lord. Let me know you more than ever before. There is a place my heart cries out for, Lord. There is a place I am yearning for. Is a place. We know you are here. We know you are here. We know you are here. You just walked in. We know you are here. See him around you. We know you are here. Adika, we know you are. Asimbre and Discover amongst the people. He's walking amongst you. We know you are here. We know you are here. We know you are here. We know Messiah. We know you are here. We know you are. Open your mouth and begin to discover. We know you are here. We know you are here. Hey, 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 hey. Mashallah. We know you are here. 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 I know you are here. I know you are here. You are here. See what God is doing. We know you are here. We know you are here. We know you have come. We know you are here. See the hand of Jesus. We know you are here. We know you are here. We are aware that you are here. It's not an ignorant thing, no. We know you are here. Healing the sick. We know you are here. 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 Jesus has arrived. Yes. In this place. See the hand of God. He's upon his people. See the hand of God. See the hand of God. Upon this place. Upon this place. Upon this place. Pray, Holy Ghost. Jesus, you are here. You are here. Jesus, you are here. You are here. Can't you see him already? Lord, I am here, the orphan boy. I came to worship you. Lord, we are here, the ones you picked. Lord, we are desperate for you. Oh. We are open to you, God. Yeah. So 247.
That's right.
Every day.
That's right.
You come through for me. I had no essence, had no meaning, Lord. You showed up for me.
What did I do?
What did I do to deserve this? What did I do to see that you're right? What did I do to deserve this kind of love?
What did I do
to deserve this kind of love? Jesus, I had no money. Nobody, but yet you showed up
for me.
Jesus, I had no godfather, had no godmother, but yet you showed up for me. What did I do to deserve this kind? What did I do? Sing it out, everybody, come on. What did I do? Come on, sing it out. To see what did I do? What did I do to deserve this kind of love? What did I do to see that you're right?
Obinigwe.
Obinigwe. Call his name. Obinigwe. Obinigwe.
Lift up your hands in worship. Drink of his love.
Lift your hands, go ahead, please.
Enjoy the embrace of his love.